When I popped off, then you gave me just a little bit.
Alrighty, so today I'm actually going to be installing something. I'm going to be removing this brake light and installing it with this new one that just came in. And obviously I've already opened it, but I'll go ahead and do this similar unboxing video, kinda. So this one's actually really cool. This is smoked. Try to not break it. Can't remember exactly what it's called because I haven't ordered it. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of cool. I got some taillights to go with it, but they haven't come in yet. It's going to be a few before they come in. Now I noticed, I wouldn't suggest getting this because I've noticed that they did do a poor job painting this. I don't really know why. It kind of annoys me because, you know, this wasn't cheap. It was almost $30. So hopefully it works right. I mean, that should look pretty good. But I'm pretty annoyed that the paint's shit, but you're not gonna be able to see it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get to installing it. I don't have a GoPro, so I'm not gonna be able to record myself installing it, but I will do a step-by-step. So I'm going to take this off. Alrighty, so not much to it. You just take out these two screws that Phillips had, and then kind of just wiggle it off. Now you see it's just one little wire, and I'll probably clean that off before I put this one back on. So I'm gonna take, I can't do this with two hands, so I'm gonna have to cut the video. Be right back. Alrighty, so yeah, now I just went and got a microfiber, and I'm gonna try to get all this nasty crud stuff off. So, switch hands. I do record my phone. Someone hasn't figured that out yet. If you haven't figured that out yet, shame on you. But I do record with a phone because I don't have the money to afford a GoPro. And I don't plan to buy one. If my phone's working well, if y'all can see the video well, then I don't see a point in buying one until, you know, I actually get a few more subscribers. I know there's a couple of you that still watch my videos, a couple of you off of Instagram, a couple of you from around town that see my YouTube. If you're new and you want to see me do more videos like this, let me know. Because I enjoy making videos and I'd like to keep doing it, but I mean, if nobody wants to watch them, then it's no point. So alright, now I got that cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and install this one. So I'll be right back. This is what it looks like now that it's on. It kind of fits well, kind of, I don't know, it's weird. Alright, you want to go ahead and hit them? Can't really see the light. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It's definitely gonna look cool at night. So yeah, and then I'm gonna fast forward to me something I want to go over. Alrighty. Okay, so like I said, I had something to talk about. Obviously this is a little weird because I've never done a video of my face. I am going to be buying another truck. We had a meet, and I've been hosting these little meets. I have one tonight. I'll actually get some recordings tonight, hopefully. The last one got rained out. And I have a buddy with a box body Ranger, it's a 90 Ranger. Well, had a good meet, had a good time. He parked beside me, we got some photos. It was a great time. And then we went home, and I'm coming the camera. Went home, and he had told me, sorry, I'm not good at this. He sent me a message in the morning, and it was a video of his truck on fire. And obviously this was upsetting for him. It was upsetting for me because it was a really pretty truck. And it's just sad to see a Ranger get burnt up. So all day he sat on it, thinking about it, and I know it hurt. He has another truck, but I know it hurt to see that one go. And he messaged me, he asked me, he said, do you want to buy it? And I thought about it, and even though I am building this Ranger is never going to be the best it could. I started too early, I didn't take my time, and this Ranger will never be what I want it to be. It's still a daily driver, it's still going to get the nicks and cracks that every daily driver gets. So I'm going to buy that truck. It's a 90 Ranger. It's a four-wheel drive 4.0. Not for long, but I'm going to drive it. I'm going to start doing work on it maybe in March or around there. I'm going to finish up this truck. I'll still do some add-ons to this truck. I won't do big stuff, but I will do some stuff. I might do a few more big things to this truck, but as far as like huge things go, like engine, I won't do anything to make this truck faster, really. I might do little things. I know I'm still gonna chrome out the engine and stuff like that. I'm still gonna do a few more stuff. I'm definitely gonna redo the interior and just a few little things. It's not gonna cost that much. Well, as the 90s Ranger goes, you'll see me switching shoulders. I actually hurt my shoulder, so I apologize for that, but I hurt my shoulder, so I can't really hold my phone well. As far as the other Ranger goes, it's going to be set up on blocks. He is taking the rims and tires. I'm going to take that one. I'm going to, it's probably going to sit up on blocks for quite a while. And then I'm going to start just redoing it. It burned up the tire engine base, some of the dash, and the windshield. So I'm going to have to strip out the entire engine, and if y'all want to see me do a series of me fixing up that, it'll be years before I get it perfect. But if y'all want to see videos of that, or if you want to see me go check it out in a few days, shoot me a comment, subscribe, just let me know. I'd be happy to start doing that. I'm also going to do this one. So that's about it for this one.